Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Nissan Murano Platinum. This one's a pearl white. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 260 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brown leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear heated seats, rear climate controls. Come around back, Murano Platinum all-wheel drive badging. Power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. This one does come with a keyless entry. Memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Navigation. Rear view backup camera with sensors. Dual climate controls. USB ports. Automatic transmission. Heated and cooled seats. This Murano has 19,867 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Murano Platinum, check out feldmannimports.com.